back to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new. So if you guys want to see how I got this really pretty winter, it's a little bit glam look, that just please continue watching. Hey guys, so let's just jump right into this. So for eyebrows, I just used the LA Colors Browy Wowie pencil and the Maybelline Brow Drama as always. Anyway, so let's just get into the eye look. Now I think about killing my eye. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I went ahead and did this one. I had kind of different ideas going through my mind what I want it to do, and I guess that this will do. You know, it's really pretty, so I want it to incorporate white, silver, gray, glitter, blue. Next, I'm going to take this big eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have a name, so I'm just going to take this dark gray shade right here on this big blending brush and just do that in the crease and like the outer corner and just blend the crap out of it. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Rock Nudes palette, and I've had this eyeshadow palette for probably a few years, but I'm just going to take like this really dark gray shade. I don't really think it has a name, so yeah. Just going to pack that on the outer corner and kind of blend it up some as well, a little. Just keep kind of packing that in and blending it. Next, I'm just going to take this white shade and just put that all over the lid. I ain't gonna lie, this white shade is kind of crappy, but it works, I guess. Next, I'm just going to take this cute little e.l.f. glitter. It's not like eyeliner, just glitter eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Anyway, in the shade Disco Queen, and put that over the lid. Guys, I'm sorry, but I cannot do eyeliner on camera to save my life, so I'm just going to go off camera and do my eyeliner with the e.l.f. eyeliner in Jet Black. Okay guys, so I also went ahead and used the Profusion Cosmetics Bright Lights UV Neon Eyeliner in Bolt, and I just put this, if you can kind of see it, above the black eyeliner. Moving on to skin, and I'm just going to take the Dermacell Oil-Free Night Moisturizer Facial Cream. And that is a lot of words. My freaking skin is dry. That's crazy. But it is cold weather, so what do you expect? For primer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and almost said putty primer. I have hairs everywhere on me. And I'm sorry for the lighting. I know it sucks. For foundation, I'm just going to take the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory, so it should match me, but it don't. I think it kind of oxidizes, and it recently expired, so it's okay. I went ahead and did my neck, so yeah, you can see that it is a little bit like darker because I like being a little bit tan anyway, so yeah. I really do like this foundation. It's really pretty. As you can see, my face looks already like dewy from, you know, that light illusion. Just gonna blend it out better with my L'Oreal sponge. I think it's good enough. Next, for concealer, I'm just going to take the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And I really like this concealer. It's really... what's the word? Has good coverage, which is definitely what I need. Next for bronzing, I'm just going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte bronzer in the shade Toffee. I'm kind of like wearing a boggin, but I guess I'll put some on my big forehead anyway. There we go. Just going to focus on like right in this area, because if you guys don't watch Jamie Genevieve, she's also a big YouTuber, beauty guru. You really should. She talked about how focusing like more in like this area instead of like everywhere, it makes your cheekbones look higher. So I've been doing that, and I think it's been making them look higher. I hope. But just want to focus it on right in here, and also using more of like a, would you call it a dense brush instead of like a big fluffy one, to really focus on, you know, that area more. Also going to kind of go over that with this Revlon bronzer and Peach Glow. Let's give it a little something. Next, I'm just going to blend it out with this e.l.f. blending sponge. I was about to say brush. Just kind of dab that. Next, I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder and just cut. Now I'm going to use the LA Colors Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I don't really like how this smells, but it gets the job done, so. So guys, for lashes I used however you pronounce this. Like, it might be so simple, but I would probably sound stupid trying to pronounce it. So yeah, anyway, in the Wispy Spiky lashes. Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game. That's really all I use now is the ones from Dollar Tree, so go and get you some packaging on this. It's like money signs. And I also really love this one. I got this one just the other day as well, and this one is called Bougie, I guess, in a way, and this one is called Mint. So yeah, really love it. So for lipstick, I think I might try the Profusion Cosmetic Lip Dazzler. It's just kind of like a nude. It smells like crayons or something. And I'm just going to use this topper, which is really pretty, kind of like a champagne. And I'm just going to use this LA Color Setting Spray again. And I'm going to go off camera and do something with my hair. And okay guys, so this is the finished look. My shirt and earrings and makeup is kind of a little bit glam to be having my hair like this and with like a boggin on, but it is what it is. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please comment on my videos, I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.